Well, hello. I have not done a whole lot on this channel. That's for one good reason. It's because I have a different other channel. It's called Blue Spectacles. You can find that right here. There I do things concerning philosophy. I talk about philosophy. I will discuss everything about it, everything that matters in it. So, which is why I haven't done a whole lot here. But I mean, I've done a couple vlogs and posted a couple of things like that, but that is going to change as of today. From here on out, I have thought of the idea of I want to understand what goes on, or how a certain person's about how a human's body will work and how things go on. So I'm going to do a couple things that will show how you can make yourself do certain things, such as right now I'm going to show you one of many ways that is thought that you can make yourself sneeze. There's many ways. Now I'm just gonna vlog one of them today, which is this one way that I think works perfectly is sticking a small piece of paper or a rolled up piece of tissue paper or toilet paper like this, and just sticking it up there. Now I feel a little bit weird showing you this, but I think it's alright. So I will show you how easily this works.
Joining the parade of proteins, there's mashed potatoes.
You don't stop. You don't stop learning. That's exciting about it. So many physical conditions that can...
The unexpected, so high.
That works.
This program is brought to you by Delta.
That's making my eyes water and my nose run. So, we know that works. Next time I'm going to try another method. So until then, I'll see you when I try another method of how to sneeze.